Representing the beauty of her country, Danube Kangjam graces the stage in a national costume inspired by the lotus, the national flower of India. From her homeland of Manipur blooms the rare Shirui lily, a flower found nowhere else in the world. The pure white of her costume reflects her prayer for peace and hope for the world, and also for her own motherland. Adorned with golden jewelry, Danube honors India's strength, prosperity, and timeless traditions.